two scenarios to think through. The first is from a child raising standpoint. You know the kids were playing with the ball in the house and then a lamp gets broken. So you go to the kids, what do? Do you do the version where it's like, what happened here? Tell me the truth. Do you know who broke it? And bait them into telling you the answer you already know? Or is there a different way to approach that? Scenario 2, you're at work. Something doesn't go right. As a manager, how many times do we do the same thing where instead of just identifying the challenge, the problem, and then saying, let's work towards a better solution, it's some emotional or intellectual exercise to figure out what the real answer is. Is there a right way to do that? I don't know. But over a lifetime, what are the ramifications if every single time it's this intellectual rigmarole and these baiting questions? In this week's Parsha, that's how it starts out. That Yehuda, Judah, Joseph's brother, passes the test, so to speak. He says, hold me in place of Benjamin. This is his transformation. After being the one who said, let's sell Joseph into slavery so at least we'll benefit from it, he's the one who says, hold me in the place of Benjamin to keep our father's promise. But Joseph had been baiting them. He'd been framing them and setting them up. So they passed the test, so Joseph exposes himself. But what if he hadn't? What if they hadn't passed the test? I think that there's something to learn here, that while there is something to be said about giving somebody the space to come to the right answer, there's also a responsibility that we can have as teachers, mentors, bosses, that it's on us to teach and guide the whole way through. So maybe that's a way that we can look at this differently. Rather than bait the kids with the question, we can say, I know that the lamp was broken. I know you were playing with the ball inside. Let's learn the lesson. Shabbat Shalom.
Hi, Steph.